So Devin is a lawyer from the United States, and she's been just newly come to the bar, and she's been doing some amazing cases where she is defending people who've been in jail for a long time or wrongly accused or wrongly jailed, and so she's got a lot of pressure on her when she's up against other lawyers and the judges and everything else. So she's had excessive sweating in her armpits for many, many years, and it's always been an issue for her. So when she came to see us, she didn't really know very much about it, so we sat down. I took a good history from her and understood how troublesome the problem was and how it affected her in her everyday life. And I explained to her how quite simple the treatment is. We use therapeutic Botox, and it's very simple, just cleaning the armpits for people, and we do multiple little tiny injections with a very, very small needle, the size of a needle that diabetics would use. And it takes about maybe a minute per side, and the treatment's over. We can use ice if people like, we can put numbing on the skin. But I find the most important thing to do for people to make it comfortable is they're relaxed, they're comfortable, and they're trusting in our relationship. And so when people have that confidence in me as a physician and that trust in me as a physician, I find things don't hurt so much, and often we don't need to use any analgesics at all. And then the Botox will take about 1 to 2 weeks to kick in, and then it should work anything from 3 months to 6 months for its entire efficacy. Now, I had one patient, his Botox lasted for 6 years. I never tell people that, but it can last that long. But generally, people are kind of 3 to 6 months. 6 months is a normal. And once people get the treatments and they're regularly coming for their treatments, they usually have full control of their sweating, and it's wonderful for me because it's life-changing for them, and as a physician, for being able to provide treatments for people that are life-changing, it just creates so much meaning and joy for myself. So it's a real pleasure to help these people.